So today we're making a cake. So I got all the dry ingredients right here. Now we're just gonna put some vanilla extract in. That seems about right. Next we add the eggs. Next, I believe you beat the eggs. Looks about right. Then you get the butter. We're almost done here. Next we add the milk. Then you mix it all together. Oh, dang it. It was close. Looking good so far. Delicious. Smells very nice. These will be the pans we will be using today. We got some special ingredients today that's gonna be going in our cake. We got some bologna. We got some cheese. And we got some garlic. So first you're gonna wanna line all the pans with bologna. Then what you're gonna wanna do, you're gonna wanna scoop some of that good old batter up in that ladle. You're gonna wanna plop it right up in there. You know what I mean? Might take a second to come out, but you're gonna wanna get another scoop of that good old, whatever it's called. Oh gosh dang it, I just forgot the word. Batter, that's what the word is. You're gonna wanna get it all over that bologna. Cover that old baby up, you know what I mean? You're gonna wanna do that to all three. I'll come back when I get finished. Okay, so I'm finished. Next, we're gonna wanna grab a little bit of cheese, sprinkle it up in there. Grab some more cheese, put it in that one. Grab some more cheese, sprinkle a little bit in there, and the rest in there. So far, we got cheese. So now we're gonna put them in the oven. I think they're about done. Now we're gonna take them out. Yummy. Yummy.
Ugh!